In just 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to use AI Marketing Assistant inside FounderPal. Also, I'm going to give you 4 use cases that can simplify your marketing day-to-day tasks. So first of all, just a quick overview where you can find Marketing Assistant inside FounderPal platform. So the first and the easiest one is Chat with AI Assistant that you can start right away. You can ask AI Assistant any question that you want. You can ask to summarize something, you can ask to search something on the internet, and you can analyze documents here. And the second way to use Marketing Assistant is to go inside any marketing asset that you have and then ask Assistant to do any quick task that you want, or if there is no quick task that you want to do and you have something on your mind, then you can just create a new chat and ask AI about this exactly asset. So here is an example of the prompt that it suggests on a quick task. And if you don't like this, you just delete and ask something another in terms of this marketing asset. And you can choose any asset that you want and start a chat with AI Assistant. Also, the chats that you have are saved in history and you can easily quick access every chat that you had before. So this is an example, and this is the chat that I had. And now let's deep dive into the use cases. I'm going to show them in the mirror because it will be a little bit faster. So first of all, I use Marketing Assistant to create a plan for marketing week. This is like the easiest thing that you can do if you don't have something in mind that you want to do with the marketing this week, but you want to focus on marketing, then you can ask AI Assistant to summarize all the marketing knowledge that it has about your product and give you a holistic marketing plan. Here is an example of what I got. So this is like a context that I gave to my assistant, and then this is the timetable that I got. And then if one task is unclear for me, for example, then I can ask again about this exact task and AI will help me to make it step by step, to make it easier so that I can implement it fast. And the second use case I already showed you inside the platform. It's the quick tasks that we have inside every marketing asset. So for example, I generated an asset and I want to go deeper. I want to make this list another way. Like for example, it's not that convenient for me and I want just a prioritization, like high effort, low effort, medium effort. And then I just ask my AI assistant to prioritize it or to do any other task that I wanted to do. And AI assistant does all the job for me. So it just like presents me this information in another way or prioritizes it. Or if I want it to help me choose which one I need to do right now, then I also can ask my assistant to do this. Another big thing that AI Assistant can do for you is to search information on the internet. It really helps me when I need to do a research on my competitors. So for example, I need to analyze positive or negative reviews of competitor X. So then I just go to my marketing assistant, ask the task, click the button search, and as a result, it gives me this list that I can check if I need to. So yeah, this is the information that AI found for me. And this is like an example of the website where this review was taken from. So I don't need to check Capterra, G2, and all the other platforms. I can just give a task to my marketing assistant and it will present all the positive or negative reviews that I need in a convenient way. And the last thing that AI Assistant helps me with is analyzing documents or images. Here I can give you like 2 very simple examples that I use day to day. The first one is collecting feedback. So for example, I made some changes on my landing page. I make a screenshot, then I download it to my assistant and I ask how can I improve this hero block or this part of the landing page, and AI will give me some ideas. So this is like one example. And the second one is if you need to find any information in, for example, legal documents fast, then you can also ask AI Assistant to do this for you. So this is how I use AI Marketing Assistant inside FounderPal platform. And go check it out. Maybe you can find even more use cases that will help you with daily tasks.